How to delete phone number on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete your phone number on Snapchat. Now let's get started. First, just open up your Snapchat. After you open your Snapchat, tap on your big emoji on the top left. So after you're here, go to the settings that's on the top right. Now after you're here, you will see the mobile number option. Just tap on it. Now right here you will find your mobile number. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to delete that number. Just tap on backspace, remove it completely, and here you will need to type in another phone number. Now you cannot remove completely your phone number from Snapchat. You can just replace it with something else. So just type in your phone number, and after you type in your phone number, verify that number, and after you do that, your original phone number will get deleted. So it's that simple guys. That is how you delete your phone number on Snapchat. You cannot completely delete the phone number. All you can do is replace it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and